Guess what? I just got this package from Anita Brows. I'm going to unboxing this package, and if you want to see what is inside, keep watching. Water is life. Water is life. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're just seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always returning to my channel. And please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because you're going to be learning a lot on this channel. And so, excuse the way I look. I just got out from the shower and I decided to make a quick video before I forget. I think I've been through a lot these days. I've been stressing myself a lot this period, and the stress is showing on my lip. It's showing on my lip. I've been stressing myself a lot, okay? So I got out of the shower and I decided to make a quick video. So I got a message from Anita Brows on Instagram. She just launched a new product, a foundation. I think it's called my skin foundation. I'm just going to show you the message and read it out to you. So when I saw the message, I was so happy. Like, when you think people don't recognize you on Instagram, they actually do. And she sent me a PR package, and she sent me this message which I'll be reading out to you now. Hi Joanne, I hope you're doing amazing. I wanted to personally reach out to you because creating the skin is in foundation with RLG Cosmetics has been such a heartfelt journey for me. We poured so much love and effort into this product, and I truly believe it's something special. Oh, I love that. Then I would love to send you a prayer box your way and share the piece of this dream with you. Then they asked for my details and they asked your honest review would mean the world as voice will bring our vision to life. Thank you so much. So after few days, I think few weeks, was it up to no, I think yeah, after a few weeks I got the package from GIG Logistics, and this is the package, guys. So I want you guys to unbox this package with me. I didn't want to unbox this package alone because I thought about it that why would I unbox this package alone? I need to show you guys what is inside before I use them, and it's a prayer package. So I want you guys to unbox this package with me. Let's just see what's inside this package, okay? So get ready to unbox. I'm going to be tearing. So this is the cutie inside, and my name was written on it. Checking and see what's inside. I honestly thought it was just one foundation that will be sent to me, so I didn't know I'll be having more. But this carton is kind of big. Okay. Oh, look at her. So if you don't know Anita Brown, this is her. This box is so beautiful. Like, I like the brand picture on it. I like everything. I have a paper here. It's combination with RLG and X Anita Brows. So I think they made it together, or they're in partnership together. And let's just flip to the other side of the foundation. It's a water-based foundation, safe, vegan, no harmful. The ingredients are stated. It's a matte foundation from what is written in this paper, though we haven't tested because she required a honest review. So it's a matte, non-drying, long wear foundation for 12 hours. And for the coverage, it's buildable coverage, lightweight, comedogenic. Okay, non-comedogenic. It has a skincare benefit. The foundation has a skincare benefit with a I I what am I saying? So I have about 5 sets here, and I love how the package came. Honestly, I was expecting just one foundation for review, though, and luckily I got five. So be checking them out. This this is a rich dark foundation. It's so beautiful. RG Cosmetic Foundation in Skin is in Hyaluronic Matte Foundation. So it's a matte foundation. So how do we? I love the package. Like, and this shade is in deep 10. I think they got me 5 shades. So this is deep 10, and you just twist to open. Oh, lovely. I like this. I like this. So you twist and pump, twist the foundation. This is deep 10. This is the shade deep 10, and this is, I said the coverage is buildable, like you can build the coverage. This is med 15, and I'll just be swatching. I think this is my skin shade. So one thing I say about this foundation, it's creamy, like it's a lightweight foundation from what it's written, but you can build it to a full coverage foundation. My skin. I think this, I don't even know which one is my shade again. Let me try the 15 again. This is med 15. This is med 15. This is med 10. They look similar, but I think 15 is lighter. So this can help you choose your shade. Woofs, this is white. This is very light. I'm still going to swatch on my hand. This deep 15 is giving chocolate. They are both giving same, but this is darker. The deep 10 and this is deep 15. So this is darker than this one. Let me know in the comment section which foundation perfectly match my skin, and if you'll be getting this foundation or if you've gotten this foundation before this video. So let me know what it looks like when you got the foundation, okay? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this. Bye. Love you all.